art fan, welcome back to an artist journey series. Today's video is just a follow-up video of where the series is going. The first few videos were focused on definitions in the art world, but later in the series I'll be discussing videos that focuses on techniques. So, if you watched my videos previously, you'll notice that the structure of the videos are telling you the terms and definitions in the art world, followed by a diagram, followed by an art piece that I show in the video that corresponds to the subject that I'm talking about. But it doesn't actually really involve me actually drawing inside the video. And for the reason why I did that structure is because I don't have an iPhone holder. So I'm basically holding my phone with one hand, and it's kind of like really hard to draw with the other hand, only one hand without. And I can definitely use something like heavy to hold the paper, but it just feels kind of awkward to actually hold the camera and draw at the same time. So I think this is one of the key factors of keeping you guys engaged, because you probably don't like how the camera is pointing at just one thing, and so I definitely understand that why it doesn't keep you interested in the videos. I understand that. And so I should be getting an iPhone holder pretty soon, hopefully by tomorrow, because I ordered it a few days ago. And if not tomorrow, like maybe early next week, I hope. So it'll definitely change up the videos just a little bit better, and it'll make my video process much more easier, you know what I mean? Like as far as like the setup goes and actually drawing inside the videos. And so I think that's one of the key factors of keeping you guys engaged. Another thing I actually want to mention too is this is why I haven't been uploading the Draw With Me series. And so I know I said that I'll be doing those every Wednesday, and I'll definitely be doing those every Wednesday. But until I get my iPhone holder, which is probably give or take a few days, then I'll be uploading those. But I just want to share some of the ideas that I have for both of those channels. For the artist journey series specifically, I'll be definitely talking about shading, shape, form, texture, proportion, and anatomy. And so there's more videos that I have ideas for. So the artist journey series is probably going to be around 23 videos total, including the ones I uploaded and the ones that I mentioned just now. So that's a give or take 23 videos. And for the Draw With Me series, where that series is going to go is it involves you guys. I have some ideas, and these ideas are kind of like categorized in like celebrities and YouTubers that you guys might like or might know of and stuff. And so I'll definitely be drawing those types of people, but it does not mean that you guys. I really hope that you guys suggest what you guys want me to draw in those videos, so your ideas are included in those videos. So that's like 58 drawing ideas. I have 58 drawing ideas, and that includes your ideas too. You know what I mean? Like not just my ideas. So like you'll definitely be involved in the series. So whatever you guys suggest in the comment section down below, once I start getting that series rolling, I will probably do those, suggestions that you guys tell me, I'll definitely be doing those and based on popular opinion. So yeah, the Draw With Me series is more interactive, but and as far as like the artist journey series, comment down below part of the drawing aspect that you guys find trouble with, because I know that most people have trouble with drawing, like, hands, nose, eyes, and things like that. And so if you guys suggest, put it in the comment section down below, I might do a separate video for that too, you know what I mean? I might do those videos so that way I can actually teach you on how to do those things. And so don't be afraid to put those types of comments down below, and so, and also keep in mind that these topics that I'm talking about in the artist journey series, that applies to all different types of mediums, so it does not mean that it is exclusive to drawing on paper. So, but the reason why I kind of like generalize these types of topics in the artist journey series is because there's so many different types of mediums. Like you can, paint, and that requires like some of the basic foundation of these terms, but then there's also like different techniques that involve with painting also, including what I put in the videos. And then the same thing for you know like drawing, digital drawing, that also some of these things do apply to digital drawing, but in its basic form, if that makes any sense. So again, these terms and these tips apply like a one size fits all type of thing, you know what I mean? So comment down below what you think of this series. Comment down below what you're having trouble with as far as drawing goes, and I'll definitely probably make a video of that exclusively. What do you think of the Draw With Me ideas for the series? What do you think of it? And the whole point of this video is just to get an understanding of my viewers, and I want to get to know you guys a little bit better. Like, who is my audience? Like, who is, you know, maybe my audience just wants, how-to videos and stuff. And so, but I will not know that if you guys comment down below. And so that helps me get to know you guys a little bit better. What's my demographic? You know what I mean? What's my audience? I know my audience is basically, people that are interested in art, but what type of aspect of art? You know what I mean? So, and I just want to get to know you guys a little bit better. And I just want to show you that in this video that I actually really do care about my viewers and people that are watching. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. And lastly, I want to thank you to all my people that have subscribed. And these people are Yanni 41379, Carmelo Mendril, and Yasmin M. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And for those that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that way you can be a part of my little art fam. Make sure to give this video, let's shoot for 10 likes. Let's just shoot for 10 likes, I know that there's not much involved in this video, but make sure you give this video some likes. Make sure you comment down below what you think. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on notifications so you won't miss these videos. Once again, bye my little art fam.